Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play new Super Mario Bros Wii on the Dolphin Emulator. First, you'll want to download the Dolphin Emulator, which is a free and open-source program. Make sure to get the latest stable version from their official website to ensure the best performance and compatibility. Installation is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step in just a few moments. Next, you'll need the new Super Mario Bros Wii game file itself. This is typically an ISO or WBFS file. The most legitimate way to get this is by dumping it from your own physical Wii game disc using specific tools. Once you have your game file, place it in a dedicated folder on your computer. This makes it simple to locate when you're ready to load it into the emulator. Now, let's fine-tune Dolphin for the best experience. Go into the graphics settings and adjust the internal resolution. Setting it to 2 or 3 times your monitor's native resolution often looks fantastic. Under the CPU settings, ensure JIT Recompiler is enabled for better speed. Finally, set up your controls. You can use a keyboard, a USB gamepad, or even a real Wii remote if you have a Bluetooth adapter, making gameplay feel authentic. With everything set up, you're ready to play. Open the Dolphin Emulator and click on Open or navigate to File, and then Open from the menu. Browse to the folder where you saved your new Super Mario Bros Wii game file, select it, and the game should start right up. You can now enjoy this classic Wii title with improved visuals and the convenience of playing on your computer. Have fun adventuring in the Mushroom Kingdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.